Hello guys, welcome back to another update here. I want to cover here first on Bitcoin. I have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now we had quite a, not too big of a pullback. We had around total of 12% drop in Bitcoin. If we check here on the daily, this Pitchfork that I've been having, I've been telling you from the lows here, the COVID lows, I'm using this Pitchfork to the all-time highs and then to the recent lows of previous bear market. We have this Pitchfork here. You can see Bitcoin is on its way to this median line around 85,000. So if we add here the lines here on the Pitchfork, I like to use the 0.25 and the 0.382. So if you use the 0.25, we can see here how Bitcoin actually this acted as perfect support for Bitcoin. And here I also acted as resistance. So these are very, when you see this you know that algorithms are using this Pitchfork to buy and sell. So in my opinion, there's very big possibility that the fourth wave has now bottomed here and Bitcoin will now continue to the fifth wave. Something though to keep in mind that usually fourth waves, they don't always go like this. So there's a big possibility that we still go sideways a bit before then we'll go higher. So it doesn't mean that Bitcoin is just going to straight go up here to 85,000. I do expect probably some more sideways movement, and it's still Sunday, so it might drop here before Monday, before then we'll go higher. Just something to keep in mind. But in my opinion, I'm very confident that the fourth wave is in. Of course, there's a possibility that we still can go lower, but since this line here has held of the Pitchfork, it's a good bullish sign. Same here on Ethereum. I've had this Pitchfork for a super long time, from the lows here of the 2 bear markets ago to the highs to the previous bear market. So if we come here on the daily, Ethereum did exactly the same, which is even better. You want to see correlation. When you see correlation on both Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is a very bullish sign. So I do have this also on Ethereum as some kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're going up for the fifth wave. You guys that follow me, you know that I'm especially bullish on Ethereum. Let me just remove this. That I'm even more bullish on Ethereum than Bitcoin. So I do expect Ethereum is gonna rally quicker than Bitcoin, in my opinion, because Bitcoin, yes, Ethereum has to reach this target of 4,500, and after that, I do think that Ethereum can also go much higher if we use this pivot down here. So Ethereum all has a possibility to reach 7,000 or 8,000. I do think that's a very optimistic target for Ethereum. So we'll have to see now first how long it will take for Ethereum to reach the first target. But at least 99.9% Ethereum will go to 4,400. So here could be good to start adding to some of your positions, in my opinion. Something else I want to cover here is Solana. Solana has been the strongest altcoin right now. You know that I've had this Pitchfork for a long time here on Solana. We're right now going to the fifth wave. I'm getting a lot of messages, people saying that Solana is going to go higher than this median line here, which probably can happen. But I do expect that this median line is going to be very heavy resistance. I also want to, of course, to see how Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing when Solana reaches 290. But I do personally think this can be a major top for Solana here before then we have a bigger correction. So personally, I will update you. If you subscribe to the channel, I'll update you exactly when I'm selling all my Solana. Solana is one of my biggest altcoin holdings. So that's something to keep in mind. Otherwise, if we look here on the Pitchfork, we can add these extra lines here. You can see we're already through all of them, which is very bullish. So in my opinion, of course, Solana can still pull back here because it's quite overextended. But something also to keep in mind, we're in a fifth wave. Usually the fifth wave is the most impulsive. So I do expect Solana to continue higher. Something else people have been asking me about is CELO. Here on CELO, I'm looking at this type of trade here, where, as I said in my yesterday's video, that here's a very nice demand zone on CELO, which you can see here. CELO has started bouncing here. So here, personally, I'm looking to add to my CELO holdings here because I do, as I said, there's no real resistance here. I already broke through it. So this means CELO can very easily start rallying here. Of course, I don't expect CELO to go straight up, since usually after a big crash like this, coins like to go sideways, build up some momentum before then they take off. But personally, I'm super bullish here on CELO. I love this type of demand zone. So personally, I'm going to add here to my CELO holdings. Something else, one of the very strong altcoins we're having is NEAR. As I've been saying for a long time, NEAR is going to 17 or even 18. It can also take out this high, so it could even go to 22. So NEAR is a very good coin to hold, and I suggest that if you don't have NEAR in your portfolio, it's something you're gonna want to have, because even through this pullback, NEAR has been rebounding very quickly. So I do expect NEAR maybe to continue some more sideways until Monday, and then slowly but surely NEAR is going to continue to trend higher. People are also asking me to cover AVAX. Personally, this is a trade I am in AVAX currently. We bought a long down here from 38 in the VIP group, and we're aiming for the 70 4 targets are going to be a 15-to-1, which is insane. You can see here while the other altcoins crashed, AVAX found very nice support here on the median line, which makes me even more bullish. So if we look here, I do expect AVAX to come very, very quickly up to this median line here, and after that we're gonna come also to this box that I'm up here at 74, which is gonna be a major resistance as well. If we go on the weekly, as I've been saying, AVAX, people have been asking me if I think that AVAX can take out the highs up, the all-time highs, which is a possibility, of course, but I do think that 74 will be heavy resistance, but a final target could be easily 100 for AVAX. So something to keep in mind, that AVAX still has a long way to go, and you want to be long these type of coins that have been holding strong during this correction. So this is all for today. Please subscribe, comment down below what you would like me to cover, because there's a lot of altcoins here I could cover, but I want to cover those that you are the most interested in, and I like to cover the ones that personally I'm holding. Also, Theta is the one I've been long for a long time. I'm still holding my long here on Theta. If we go here on the log scale, as I've been saying here, that Theta will go to this median line at least at around $5, and after that, if we come here on the weekend, we change to this pivot here, Theta's possibility to even go to $10 or $11. So Theta is also a very, very bullish coin. We can see here on the weekly how many green candles we had in a row. So this crash, or how you like to call it on Theta, has actually just been a small correction before then Theta continues to go higher. So overall, the markets look healthy. It was good that we got a pullback, because especially you can see on many altcoins we had so many green weeks in a row. So we needed a red week. So overall, click the link down below in the Discord if you're interested to join my VIP Discord and catch trades like this. Otherwise, subscribe and like the video, and see you again tomorrow.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals.